everyone. Today we are going to make a letter T craft. We are going to make Tyrannosaurus Rex feet out of a tissue box. Tissue box also starts with T. Now, what you are going to need today is a rectangular tissue box that looks like this. Do you see the rectangle? I see the two long sides and the two short sides. So make sure your tissue box is a rectangle. It's more fun to have 2 feet, so if you have 2, you can stomp around and you will have a lot of fun. Okay, so let's get started. You'll need some colored paper or a paper plate. You'll need a scissor, a glue stick, some markers or paint, however you'd like to do it. I made 2 different ones and I'll show you how. The first thing you'll do is you take the tissue box and you pop out the top. Usually it's the shape of an oval. And you take all your tissues out, because you can still use the tissues for another time. You can see mine are empty. Then you can make yours 2 ways. You can do it this way. My green one was made with paper. What I did was I took some colored paper and I ripped it into small pieces, just like we used to do at preschool. And once you have your ripped up paper, you can take some glue and you can glue it all around your box, just like this. Maybe you want to just do the top, or maybe you want to do the sides. I left my sides like this because it kind of looks like T-Rex scales. You see that? So I just did the top. Now, in order for it to look like a T-Rex foot, you need 1, 2, 3 triangles. So make sure you have another color to cut out your triangles. Now, when you're cutting a triangle, we learned this in preschool, cut on a diagonal. 1 diagonal and another diagonal. Maybe your mom and dad can help you with these. When you have 3, then you can glue on your claws. For this one, I painted it. I chose a blue color, and I had a sponge at home, and I painted the whole box all the way around. So that's up to you. You could be creative. And instead of using paper, I had a paper plate. So I cut my triangles out of the side of a paper plate, so they really look like claws. Isn't that cool? Now for the fun part. Here's what you can do with your T-Rex feet. Adriana, come on over and try on the T-Rex feet for us. Can you stop? Okay, boys and girls, have fun with your T-Rex feet. And don't forget, I also put the We Are the Dinosaurs song and some worksheets for you to work on today. Bye!